This is a little video real quick, just in case you want to know what it's like to ride the train in Far Rockaway, or if you move from Far Rockaway and haven't been here in such a long time and you missed the A train. You know, I'm just here to just do a little quick video. I'm not going too far. I'm going to B60th, but you know, and I'm going to get on the other side of the window so I can show more of Rockaway. This is Beach 44th Street. They just started building more of this community up. A lot of people didn't get off at this stop at one point. Smell the cigarette. Yeah, that's the infamous Edgemere houses. 51st over there. There's Auburn. Yep. PS 198. I don't know what it's called now, but it's something else. This is Nordak. And this is where I'm getting off at. Video ends here. In New York, you gotta know which door to get off at so you can be closest to the exit. You know what cart to get on. All right, we out.